panelist and dignitary, Swati Arangale. She is going to discuss about landscape designing and affordable housing. Let me tell few things about her. Swati Narangale is a landscape designer and environmentalist. Swati has designed extensive gardens and biodiverse projects for the Maharashtra government and has an depth understanding of geographical and biodiverse topology of the state. Let's welcome her with a big round of applause.
This is it. Good afternoon, friends, and thank you, Credite, for having us here. All the architects, fellow architects, and all the new BMI, and I was so happy to see you, Chincholika, talking about. It brings a full circle because I worked on KPIT today. So yeah, and Mr. Pandit's farmhouse also, I worked on. So yeah. So you're talking about landscapes. Okay, the work that the firm has done is varied and it's multiple, in the sizable, So I just got one project and shown how the phases of landscape, during design, implementation, and how the project goes about. So this is one project that I'm going to stick to. but a very, a very. If you see the ground, the forest behind, so it was planted quite densely. Next slide. So this lockdown, actually they were facing a problem on the terrace level, and they were like, how we do the waterproofing and what is to be done. So we added one more floor to it, which was like a sunset house and a sunrise house. We can go further. So this is the house with the porch and the garden. So be it landscape, so architecture, landscape, all the other units which were designed. Yeah, we can go to the next slide. So this is a bird's eye view. We were looking at the mountains. We come to the next slide. Yeah. This is a little pavilion temple. We have done basically got the columns and the deity from Mahabalipuram, and quite. This is one of the spaces where the client they all love to gather and just do the daily prayers. Come. Yeah. Keeping it very simple, because a farm should look a farm. That's the whole idea. Yeah, you can go to the next slide. Recently, during the lockdown, where just before the lockdown, we just did a little putting ring, the golf putting. Yeah, next slide. Yeah, so this was a pastime during the lockdown which was done. Yeah. Next slide. Few trails. So in the grove, if you can go back again, previous slide. Yeah, so we added wooden chalets in the middle of the grove. So it was an organic kind of a development. Yes. Yeah. So this is bananas which were there with the jacuzzi to hide and screen. This is how you enter the porch. So keeping the surfaces very nominal, where it was gravel, where the water would percolate into the ground, not closing any aquifers. A little element of water at the entrance. So this is from the other side. So this farm is being rented out for as sustainability also, for marriage weddings, to have very nice marriage gatherings, functions, corporate engagements. So there's all these areas were designed like that. Even if they want to play, cricket. So this lawn was primarily done for that. Come, next slide. If you see that amphitheater, there's a little area where they could play, and even this lawn. Yeah, next slide. So this house was actually done in brick and mortar, and so this is if you see the previous slide was without the upper floor, and this is with the upper floor. Yeah, next slide. Yeah, this is another. So this red area, if you see these 6 cottages, these were done just 2018. We did this, and I'll show you the method of what construction it is. Yeah. Yeah. Next. This is a little pool. Yeah. Next. So these are the 6 cottages. These were done in the, high density thermocol with a mesh. So this entire construction was completed in 6 months with everything. Next. So this is a little reception desk for the thing. Yeah, next slide please. Yeah, next. Next slide. So this is material. The construction was done in thermocol and with flexible electrical and plumbing which was done.
ये जिसकी भी गाड़ी है, किया गाड़ी है, जिसकी भी गाड़ी है, वो प्लीज उसको बाहर पार्क कीजिए।
Yeah, we can go to the next slide.
सेकंड गाड़ी है एर्टिगा।
The reason of doing this was we wanted these cottages really ready very soon, wherein तो ये जो प्लिंस है हमने इकट्ठा 6 प्लिंस बना दिए एंड फिर उसके बाद ये थर्मोकॉल का जो सिस्टम है, पॉलिस्टीन का जो सिस्टम है, मेश के साथ पुराने कंस्ट्रक्शन में हम गनेटिंग काफ़ी यूज़ करते थे जो बहरहाल अभी यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, तो ये मेथड से गनेटिंग करके सो इसका एक एडवांटेज ये है कि ये थर्मोकॉल सिस्टम से ये 10 डिग्रीज कम होता है बाहर के टेम्परेचर से, तो ये सेव ऑन योर लॉट ऑफ एसी थिंग, कूलिंग कम हो सकता है। सो ये एक स्मॉल हाउसेस के लिए इज़ अ वेरी गुड इफेक्टिव मॉडल। या नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। नेक्स्ट। सो ये गनेटिंग हो गया है मेश पे एंड रूफ भी पूरा थर्मोकॉल से किया गया है, ये उसका शटरिंग है। और ये एंड रिजल्ट है। तो हम इनिशियली इस पूरे क्लस्टर के बीच में एक पूल करना चाहते थे, बट एक बहुत अच्छा औदुंबर का झाड़ था, पेड़ था, उंबराचं झाड होतं। So we just, I just said that we just keep it as a very nice, small, functional space. Yeah, we can go ahead. So at the fringes we had the native tree plantation. Inside the courtyards, a little ornamental kind of plantation we did. Yeah, we can go to the next. This was just recently added because with people going for Airbnb, Vista homes, all these things, they look into, they want the pools, and the visitors who come, guests who come, they want pools and want to be. So we did very small pools actually. Yeah, we can go to the next slide. So this was another structure. This we completely did in during the lockdown. So the entire laborers were, the entire people, we have a labor colony also behind, properly done. So yeah, this is another fabricated structure. So we actually experimented on various kind of modules, where one was thermocol, one was brick and mortar, and this was a steel structure. We can go to the next slide. Yeah. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. So here, if you see, the facade is quite there is glass, and if you know, Karjat is very hot and dry, and so we had, a green cover which was densely created. Next slide, please. Next slide. That was lighting. So for indoor engagements, this was done. Yeah. So the interior work of the house. Yeah. Basically, the floor and the painted surface वो सारा कर दिया था. The furniture we had outsourced it. Yeah. Next. Next. The veranda is the most used space. ये dining वगैरह के लिए काफी काम में आता है. आगे. अभी हमारे जो ग्रीन कवर जो बढ़ गया है, ट्रीज वगैरह जो हमने पहले लगाया था, तो वो ट्री टॉप्स आ गए हैं. So the sun. This was done recently, just finished like 6 months ago. Yeah. Yes. Next slide. Next. So yet again there's future expansion because there's a lot of land still, and it's like a story that continues and it continues. We are working on options. So this was designed earlier there, but now next slide. So yeah, some sketches, this, so it's basically to say कि काम basically कोई भी project, landscape हो, architecture हो, so it's a responsible kind of a thing that you get into. It's not that कि इतना garden बना दिया तो हो गया. So it's an engagement. It's a memory with landscape. It is not कि अभी पेड़ लगा दिया. So it is a memory that you give back to your nature, back to the earth, and it comes in full circle. So it's always a continued conversation with all the clients that one has to take forward. Be it a small farmhouse, be it a big building. So we also deal into landscape management, which is that we in the various locations that we work on is they are very far off. मतलब हम लोग है ना काफी अंदर इंटीरियर्स में काम करते हैं, विलेजेस के सिटीज ना होते हुए विलेजेस के, तो वो इंटरनल एरियाज में वहाँ के जो गार्डनर्स हैं उनको सिखाना, उनसे खेती करवाना, सिर्फ बजाय सिर्फ प्लांटेशन का उनको महत्व समझाना, उनको वाटर कंजर्वेशन के बारे में समझाना. इनफैक्ट दे आर मच मोर knowledgeable and responsive to those things. So this is all about it. So yeah, let's call it. Thank you so much.